After months of delays, Samsung is finally expected to release the One UI 7.0 beta update next week. But ahead of the launch, some design elements and changes anticipated in One UI 7.0 have surfaced unexpectedly on Galaxy Book laptops. The Galaxy Book Experience app on Galaxy Books was updated to version 3.40.0 earlier today, introducing what Samsung calls the One UI Book 6.1 software for its Windows laptops. This update unveiled some One UI 7.0 stock app icons, including those for Phone, Samsung Notes, SmartThings, and Tips. These icons match the One UI 7.0 app icons leaked a few weeks ago. The Samsung Notes app, which was previously leaked and received mixed reactions, remains unchanged, though many hope Samsung will revise it for the final version of One UI 7.0. The Tips app icon shows slight updates, featuring a lighter yellow shade and simpler iconography. Samsung has been aiming to extend the One UI design across its digital appliances, TVs, laptops, PCs, and smartwatches. The company's first move was implementing the One UI design on Tizen OS for its TVs, with updates already rolling out to select models. This design language could soon appear on Samsung's touchscreen home appliances. Samsung has stated that the One UI 7.0 beta update will launch by the end of the year, with the stable version expected early next year. Samsung is gearing up to release the One UI 7.0 beta for the Galaxy S24 series soon. The first beta firmware with a build version ending in ZXKB has appeared on Samsung's server, signaling an announcement may be just around the corner. The One UI 7.0 beta release, originally anticipated between July and August, has been delayed. Now it seems Samsung's latest flagship models are close to starting the beta program. For the first time, a beta build has been listed on Samsung's software server. Tarun Vats shared the screenshot on Twitter and said that Galaxy S24 series has just spotted the first One UI 7 beta build on the test server. Big things are coming. The build version S928BXXU4ZXKB refers to the Galaxy S24 Ultra Global, suggesting that countries like Germany, India, Poland, and the UK will soon be eligible to join the beta program. Separate builds will be available for the US, Korean, and Chinese models. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.